Today I will be showing you how to make a quick vegetable soup using all the vegetables in your fridge so they don't go to waste. What I used is 5 parsnips, 1 sweet potato, 1 large onion, kale about 3 cups or more, squash 2.5 cups roasted and diced. You will start by putting your oil in your saucepan and heating it up on a medium-high. Once it's heated up, you will add in your sweet potato, parsnips, and onion, and you will bring that to frying point and stir and combine all the vegetables with your oil well. Once you start seeing your vegetables getting a little bit soft, you will add in 2 bay leaves, some basil, some parsley, and you will still stir well, combining all the ingredients together. Once everything's well mixed together, you will add in your salt. I use 2 teaspoons of salt. Stir well, combine well. Next, we will add in our cloves of garlic. I used 3 cloves. You want to make sure that you keep on stirring your vegetables so they don't burn. We're going to continue with adding in our liquid. I used 4 cups of chicken stock. Just pour it over. And I also used 2 cups of water. You will raise your heat to high. You will cover your soup with the lid and bring it to a boil. Next, we're going to be adding in our kale. The kale is the last thing you put in your soup with your butternut squash because it cooks quickly and you do not want it to be too soft. So here we go. We're going to add in our kale. Once all your kale is in your saucepan, just give it a quick stir, and we will add in our butternut squash next. Remember, your butternut squash has already been roasted and diced, so this is why it is also one of the last vegetables to put in, because it was already pre-cooked. The key thing is to keep on stirring the vegetables all together before we put the lid to let it cook for an hour. You want everything to be well combined. For this soup, I had some spinach left over in my freezer, which I chop and I keep in balls and freeze it in the freezer for times like this when I'm really in the mood for spinach. So I just added that in so it will thaw inside the soup. You're going to put on your lid, bring back to a boil, and once it's boiling, you're going to lower it back to a low-medium heat, and we're going to cook it for about an hour. While it's cooking for an hour, you want to make sure that you go and stir it every so often. You also want to check your seasoning, check your salt. You could add any other flavors, any other spices to your preference. Just make sure it's not too salty and everything is to your liking. So as you can see, this is how it looks when it is done and it's ready to serve. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you try this out, and it's very great. It's easy, it's fun, it's fantastic, it's healthy, and I am sure you will love it.